Ram Mandir has become a focal point for millions of devotees, followers eagerly seeking darshan of Ram Lalla since its consecration. Over 30 lakh Ram devotees have flocked to the grand temple, setting a record for continuous arrival at any religious site in India or worldwide. So if you're also considering a pilgrimage, यानी कि अगर आप भी राम मंदिर विजिट करने का प्लान बना रहे हैं, so here are 5 crucial things that you should definitely bear in your mind. सबसे पहली चीज, book your accommodation in advance. Well, yes, for ease of travel, direct flights from various cities like Mumbai, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chennai, Jaipur, Patna, and even Darbhanga connect to Ayodhya. So ensure you book your hotel room also well in advance due to the high demand caused by the influx of devotees. Also consider alternatives like Dharamshala or use the Holy Ayodhya app for homestay bookings. The second thing that you should keep in mind is the timing. Well, yes, the ideal time for darshan of Ram Lalla is in the morning. The temple opens at 6:30 am and continues darshan till about 12 pm. And then the temple remains closed between 12 pm to 2 pm. And then it reopens after 2 pm and stays accessible until 10 pm. While early morning visits may offer a less crowded experience, also remember that no shoes, mobile, electronic items or bags are allowed inside the temple premises. You can deposit all your belongings at the Pilgrim Facility Center before entry. Another thing that you should consider before planning your trip to Ayodhya is that do consider a 2-day trip. Well, because due to the overwhelming number of people coming, a one-night stay is recommended for a comprehensive visit to Ayodhya Ram Mandir. That is, if you're staying somewhere nearby, then you can plan a one day. Otherwise, a single day is not sufficient time to explore the city. And also, at times, darshan might take a time. That's why a 2-day trip allows ample time to visit the Ram temple, witness the annual Deepotsav at Ram Ki Paidi in the evening, and also explore the Hanuman Gadi temple. And do not miss on the delectable laddus available near the Hanuman Gadi temple. Also, before visiting the temple, remember कि आपको वहाँ पर थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग सकता है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं. And there are also a lot of police checkposts that you may encounter, that too about 3 to 4 kilometers before the Lata Mangeshkar Chowk. So along the path which leads to the temple, vehicles might be halted at these points, so be prepared for a lengthy walk. Though the Uttar Pradesh government has introduced electric buses for pilgrims traveling on the religious path and also Ram path in Ayodhya. और एक और चीज़ सबके दिमाग में आती है कि जब आप मंदिर में एंटर करते हैं तो आप कितनी देर वहाँ पर दर्शन कर सकते हैं. So for your information, with approximately 2.5 lakh Ram devotees visiting the Ram temple daily, devotees often need to wait in line for an hour or two for darshan of Ram Lalla. While if you are lucky enough and you go in the morning, you might not have to wait in the queue. While the Ram Janambhoomi path leading to the main temple now provides amenities such as drinking water, chairs and mats to rest. Also, holding areas have been established to facilitate the organized movement of the pilgrims. And yes, to answer the question, you will only get about a minute or so to witness the Ram Lalla.